So I ordered my husband and I some new Apple Watch bands. They're made of silicone, and when I received this, it had a tear in one of the holes. So I was a little distraught and called the company and let them know, which I'm yet to hear from them. But here is after I used Silpoxy. I'm telling you, this stuff is a miracle worker. It is a definite must-have. It's a little pricey, but definitely worth the money. This is where I've already administered the Silpoxy. And as you can see, it totally just grew it back together. Very happy with the result. So I have my little tube of Silpoxy here that I cover in a plastic baggie before I put the lid on it so that it doesn't dry out. Hopefully it will help it to last longer. And then I applied it with this. It's actually a wooden skewer. It's got a very pointy end. That or a toothpick works wonderfully. So I applied it and I let it set as I was cooking dinner, probably close to 20-30 minutes, and came back to look at it, and this is the end result. I hope you find this helpful. Definitely check out Silpoxy. It's a must-have for anyone with silicone needs, like a baby, or in my case, this Apple Watch band. Thank you.